Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. In this video, we are going to perform practical number 4B. So let's start. You have to create new project. Give the project name as practical 4B. And save the project. And search for 8089C51 microchip. And select and click OK. Then you have to click No. Click on plus of target 1, select source group 1 and create a new file. And you have to copy this code. You will get this code link in the description. And you have to just copy paste it here. This is C programming code, so you have to save this program as give the file name and .c extension and save this file. So I will save this file as practical4b.c and save this code. Then right click on source group 1 and select add existing files to group. And select the program that just we have saved practical4b.c. Click on add and click close. And select practical4b. No, you have to select right click on target 1 and select options for target and change the frequency to 11.0592 MHz and select create hex file and click OK. Then right click on target 1 and click on build target. Now you can see our code is successfully compiled and there is 0 errors and 0 warnings. After creating hex file on Kill Software, you have to open Proteus 8 software and give the project name as practical 4B. To click next and finish and search for 8089C51 and select it, click OK. Then again click on P and search for 7 and search 7SEG. There are a lot of options of 7SEG, so you have to select 7SEG COM CAT cat green. So you can see that 7 segment common cathode you have to select. You can select any color, green or blue. I have selected it green, but make sure you have select 7 seg com cat. Okay, then place the microcontroller. Let's zoom it so it will look more clear and visible. After placing this, you have to select 7 sec Comcat and place it here. Then you have to connect with port 2 pins like that. You have to connect it. After connecting port 2 pins, you have to place one more 7 sec. So click on 7 sec and place it here and connect this with port 3 pins. After connecting, both the 7 segment with the microcontroller. You have to give ground to 7 seg. So click on terminal mode and select ground. And connect ground with 7 sec. After connecting ground, you have to connect power also. So select power and connect it with PSEN of microcontroller. And double tap on microcontroller. Select program file. That hex file we have created in Skill Software. You will get it hex file in object folder. So go to object folder and select practical 4B hex file. Now you have to change the frequency to 11.0592 megahertz and click OK. You can see the bottom of the screen. There are play buttons, pause button. So you have to click on play button to execute it. After clicking play button, now you can see our program is executed and it will count from 0 to 99. So I hope you like this video. I will meet you next time. Thanks for watching.